Hey Joakim, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool measurement here, and basically what this is a cleaner or like a vacuum option. And you see for the one that we got right here is a brand called Bissell. And for this product, they do call it a little green portable deep cleaner. And the way how they designed this product is meant for people who are like pet owners. If there's like stain maybe on your carpet, your sofa, or your car seat or something, that is basically where one of these actually comes in handy. So this is basically what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what is actually included inside. So the first layer inside, we do have the protection layer. But if you guys do take it out, right underneath that, we do have everything else. So take all of it out. So the first thing inside right here, it looks like we do have a holder option for the accessories that's mount onto the actual product or the wall. Next up right here, and we see they do provide guys a brush option. I'm assuming you use like water or the solution inside to help you guys clean it when you guys do use it. And then for the other side right here is basically where you guys want to attach it on the product, which I'll show you guys in a second. Inside the package, you can see they do provide guys a solution that's going to use. So in order for you guys to get rid of any stain that's on your carpet or anywhere else, you do need to use this formula that you can purchase separately on the side when you guys do run out. Next right here, you see they do provide guys another accessory for you guys to actually mount it on the product or something. Right here, you see they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. Next up right here, we do have another accessory. If you guys do open up, here is basically what the accessory looks like. And it looks like the last thing that's inside the actual product. So let's take it out. So once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So right here in the front, you can see we do have the brand logo Bissell. And then right here is the name of the product, which is little green. Right here, we do have a power button for you guys to activate the product. And then right here, we do have the extension option for you guys to use it, whether if you guys want to use it in car or if you guys want to use it at home or anywhere else. And then for this side right here is basically where you can insert the head for wherever you guys want to use it. Top part right here, you see we do have a handle option for you guys to carry around really easily. And if you guys notice on the right side and the left side, there's two different tanks. One of them is a clean tank for you guys to add in solution, and the other side is a dirty tank. So once you guys finish using the product to clean wherever you guys want, this side is basically where you can take out to actually roll it out. And the way how you guys take it out is actually really simple. You just want to pull it out, just like that. And that is basically what the inside looks like. Once you guys are done, you guys can push it back in. Where for the other side right here is slightly different. There's an option right here for you guys to release it. And then once you guys pull this part up, you do have the option to take it out, just like that. And then you can pour it out really easily. Or you can use the bottom part to actually pour it out as well. And I forgot to show you guys the other side, but the bottom part right here is basically where you guys want to fill in the solution and everything else. And they also have a line on here to show you guys how much water to add and how much formula to add. You can see right there. And then right here is basically what the bottom part looks like. And then last but not least, in the back part right here is basically the cable that's going to plug in to actually activate it when you guys do use it. So the product itself is not wireless or cordless. You do have to actually plug in the cable to actually activate it. So that is basically everything that's included for the product. So the first thing I'm going to do when you guys do get the product, you guys want to make sure to follow all the instructions right here on the user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. So the first thing for you guys to do is to set up each different part on here for the accessory. So for this small right here, you guys want to push it up in the bottom right here. I'm assuming that is for you guys to actually put this part right here. So that way kind of organize it a little bit. And then for this other accessory, you basically want to put it in the back. So right there. And you guys want to use the screw that's inside right here to actually screw it on. And when you guys do purchase the product, they don't provide guys a screwdriver. So you need to have your own when you guys do set it up. So take out the screw to put it together to show you guys how to set it up. So there should be a total of one screw inside that you guys want to use. And you basically want to put it inside right here onto the back part right here. So you guys want to get a screwdriver to screw it in. Alright, so that should be good. So once you guys finish setting that up, you guys use the part right here to put the holes. So just like that. And then once you guys finish setting it up, you guys can put on the accessory heads right here. Just like that. And then for this other accessory that I showed you guys earlier, this is basically like a self-cleaning option. So if you guys put this on to the actual head, then you guys can use the self-cleaning option to actually rinse it. So once you guys put on the parts, here is basically what the front part looks like. And then here is the back. So right here in the back, you can see we do have the holder option that we set up for you guys to hold this part right here. And you guys can see right here, they do have the option for you guys to actually hold it in or you can release it to take it out really easily. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now let's go test this out to show you guys how it works and when it actually works first. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. All right, so right here we do have the product. So first what I'm gonna do is add the formula inside first. And you guys wanna make sure to add in the correct side, which is on this side. So you guys wanna open up this part here and take this part out. Once you guys take those part out, now you can add in the solution first. So right here we do have the solution. If you guys do open up, you guys want to open the inside as well if it's your first time using it. when you guys do open up and this part right here is actually not sealed, you don't want to use it because it's probably used. Alright, so once you guys got it open, you basically want to fill the formula inside until it goes to this line. Once you guys add the formula inside, you guys want to add the water up to this line right here. And you guys want to make sure the water is added inside is cold water, it's not hot water. Alright, so that's pretty good. You guys want to put everything back inside. So this one right here first, and then this part next. Make sure it's fully sealed. And you guys want to put this back inside right here. And you guys want to close it back up as well. And put this on one side until you guys are ready to use it again. But once you guys got it all set up, now you can start using it. And I forgot to mention earlier, but if you guys can see the actual scent that's on here, they do mention how it does use Febreze, and they do have a spring and renewal scent. And this is only one option available. If you guys look at the instruction manual, they do probably got a few other bottle options that you can use as well. But this one right here is basically a sample size. They do have this available in a bigger bottle. Alright, so first thing I want to do is to plug in the cable first. And I do love the fact that how they do have a cable management option in the back to organize all the cable. But let's go plug this in first. So once you guys got the cable plugged in, now you can start using it. So for this test, I'll just use this option right here to show you guys how it works when you guys do use it. But pretty much the first thing I'm going to do is to take out this part right here before you guys turn it on. And then once you guys take it out, you have to push the power button. And that basically turns on the product. So it basically helps you guys clean any stains and also help you guys vacuum as well. So it's like a 2-in-1, which is pretty cool. But let's turn it back on and then we'll test it right here to show you guys how it works. I forgot to mention, but they do have a little button in the bottom for you guys to push. And that will basically spray the solution while you guys are vacuuming, if you can see right here. But let's turn it back on to continue it. So you see, once you guys do spray the solution on here, you guys can definitely see the solution on the actual product. And if you guys can hear when you guys do turn on the product, it is pretty loud. So that's something to kind of remember when you guys do use it. But obviously, because my mat right here is not that dirty, there's no stain for me to show you guys right here. But you see the way how I use it is actually very simple. You do have the option to just use it as a vacuum option, or you can use the solution to spray it to clean anywhere you want. Whether if you guys want to use it on your sofa, your carpet, your car seat, or anywhere else, it will basically help you guys remove the stain, which is pretty cool. And when you guys do spray the solution on here, it definitely dries pretty fast if you guys don't add too much. But if you guys do add too much solution, it will take some time for you guys to dry. But once you guys finish sucking up everything or cleaning any kind of stain, all of the solution will go inside right here. And also any dust or trash will go inside right here. And you basically take this part out to actually pour it out and rinse it if you guys do need to. So that is basically how you guys use the product. Now I'm putting this somewhere else to show you guys how well the product works. If you guys do use somewhere where there is stain, so you see after we use the product is so much more cleaner. It literally helps so much. If you see the difference that's on here. Alright, welcome back guys. So now it's okay to test the product and definitely see actually does work and actually works quite well. So in order for you to get the best result on here, you probably want to use it somewhere where it's dirty. If you guys do use it somewhere where it's pretty clean, then obviously there's nothing for you to clean. Just like how I show you guys in the test. So if you guys are a pet owner and if you guys have a lot of stain maybe on your bed, your sofa or anywhere else, you guys can basically use one of these to help you guys clean it. And when you guys do use the product, if there is still a lot of solution in here, you guys can basically leave it inside until you guys need to use it again. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys will need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality cleaner that allow you guys to use a vacuum option and also a stain remover option as well, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.